If people don't know me, the facts now come for talk facts, we talk trash. You see me? Yeah, man. So, people, the brother here, what them call Kevin, see him? Cause him no really have nothing to do, you know. All him do, sit down in him car and chat one bag of crap. See him? Sometimes I wonder if I in him car and sleep. You see me? Cause seem to me like him not a woman. I don't know if he have no kids or nothing. Him just come out every day like my big number one sheep. You understand? Because hear what this brother I go say.
Too, right? And the get the man was saying, right, that if Mavado to perform with Cartel, right, and you know how Mavado and Alkaline is linked, you know what I mean? But like, just imagine, right, if Mavado could bring Alkaline and Cartel together in one show, right, with he too in it, right, that would be a big show there.
All right, so here we go on, you know, with Mavado, with Alkaline. You know, Alkaline feel like him you know, respect. And, you know, in anything you do and anywhere you go. And anywhere you go see anybody, brother, who pave the way for you, you have to give respect to who pave the way. Anybody where they there before you when you got work, you have to give them that respect that even if you come there to take over.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
You have to give. You come see. Because you have to learn the work. Nobody listening to me who are the boss.
Yep.
You give me the respect, and then you take your time and you climb and take over.
Exactly.
You even, let me tell you this. If you don't even see Cartel interview, Cartel not really about you, you know.
No. Cartel big up the youth.
He might big him up. But he youth now big up Cartel no time at all. It's like ignorance over everything. And you're lost in the game right now because you're not on a tune. The truth is, you're not on a tune right now. Where are trying? Cartel are the man right now. Stick tune them.
Yeah, man.
But when the last time you sing, man?
You see, if he dog did that on the right speed, him would have be like, oh, you know, my bad, they on the same rhythm where Cartel depend.
Yeah, man.
New rhythm, everybody depend the rhythm. You know, things Alkaline would have depend it too.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah, Alkaline if it drop, you look up beside of him. And stop act like I look up. You understand?
Yeah, man.
And just know saying, give the elder in respect.
Exactly.
My father and the man war for almost years. And my father and the man can shake hands today and say, good war.
Yeah, man.
Them now not against each other. And the man can put my father upon a rhythm. You and the man never have nothing at all. And you have up this man here.
Yeah,
Brother act like a bitch man. You understand? The dog act like a little girl. All the dog have to do is get up and just say, you know what? Vybz Kartel, I'm a mentor. Because dog will see everything the man do, you do it. You make sure you're not eating no food for stay skinny like how the man is always skinny.
Exactly.
You make sure you do every tattoo the man do. You make sure if you see the man post a car, you post a car or a plane. You make sure you see the man with a Rolex watch. You make sure come and say, I know you alone have Rolex watch. I have one too. Me have one too, brother. What's the point? This is a rule. So anybody can have a rule. If you have your money, go buy what you want.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You get me? I say? So you gotta show people, oh man, Vybz Kartel.
I just watch a video a while ago. So him go talk about Alkaline no show Cartel no respect. Zine. But look on the video with Alkaline.
Is Cartel a mentor of yours?
No. I wouldn't say I have a favorite artist.
Yes.
No.
But how you feel about Cartel? Vybz Kartel?
Batty boy!
What I feel about Vybz
He's
Kartel?
coming to mind every time I hear you talk.
I don't really feel anything about any men, you know, because that sound emotional. But I respect Vybz Kartel as an entertainer, just like I respect every other entertainer in the business.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
No special respect for Cartel?
Not necessarily.
And them suck me ya. Make me dark up a bumbucklad place, you know. You see them suck me ya. Me never hear that, you know. Me just want to hear where I'm going to reply and say.
I respect everybody, man.
Okay.
A few moments later.
I asked you in the first interview if you're inspired by the world boss, Cartel.
I'm inspired?
Yes.
I'm inspired
you
by
say
people.
he wasn't special to you.
I'm inspired by
That's
people.
what you said there.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Do you want to take that back or?
No,
or
I'm
what?
not take back nothing.
Have you revised that?
No.
You don't?
No, he's a good artist. What
Yes.
do you want me to say?
That you're borrowing a few things from it,
When me borrow?
such as your.
Me my own clothes, me everything.
Your.
What do you mean? What you talk, man?
All right, sir.
No borrow nothing.
I'll give you that one.
I just see the video right now. See him? Alkaline same respect. Vybz Kartel like any other artist. I guess they want Alkaline. If it was special, big up. You understand? Same like way some of them artists I do. Is what me I try to say. Because in 2025, people still want Alkaline bow down to Vybz Kartel for say him inspire him all of them look or something. So tell me now. Them always bring up this tattoo, this bleaching and all of them something. Me have to wonder if a Vybz Kartel first start bleach or him start the tattoo. You understand? Because tattoo I do long time. But you see, because the industry put everything around him, you understand? So all of about him and whatsoever, man never do it. Forget a forward or whatsoever. But Alkaline is not that guy. You understand? Because one bagger trash the brother you're talking. Because every day him get up, he might like him depend some cheerleading thing for Vybz Kartel, you see me? Him not like a fee mouth, like a some chatty mouth. You see me? Well, them say I'm a DJ, but brother, keep better you go do DJ. Keep on doing DJ. You don't sit down in your car every day. It's like look like you want to take up foot hype style or something. At least foot hype now say some crap some of the time what you want to say. Cause some of the time you talking on no sense, brother. You see me? Guys like you want to tell Alkaline for what you want Alkaline for do. But don't on your knees and say please Kartel. How you inspire me? Bro, I'm telling you say I'm weak, you know, brother. If you I try to tell you know people that money I go say Movado and Kartel war for years and them can still come back and show respect. So why Alkaline can't do that, brother? You're mad man, you know. Kartel and Movado thing different, brother. Them man they did, remember say the man them did in an alliance with Bounty them, brother, they must bridging, them usually power and everything, bro. So you are gonna say about man a war for years and all of them look a thing there, brother. Bro, them man they think different. Them respect different, bro. You cannot compare what go on between Kartel and Movado, brother. You understand? You cannot compare for them thing with the Alkaline thing. Them a come from a far away. You understand? Far away them a come from alliance. A bridging them. And usually power and every little thing. You understand? When nothing now go on, two of them. So you feel come talk about through Movado and Kartel put thing aside, you feel like say Alkaline. Bro, I'm telling you already, you know, bro. On a week, you know, brother. You see me? On a week. You see it? No Alkaline for ease back and whatsoever, bro. Alkaline stay in a moon and lane, brother. You can't stop youth from do that. You understand? Him know why I'm do it on a seat 2 years I'm fight the youth. We don't want the youth to do. Come up and laugh up and gigi with the same people them. Eh? Same people them laugh and gigi. We don't want him come laugh and gigi with them. And also this thing right, brother. Stop compare more other thing and Kartel thing with Alkaline, brother. Alkaline have nothing to do with what going between Kartel and Movado. Them for them thing different and the brother them are bridging them. You understand? Them just have a look lyrical thing. And what for go on. I remember say the man them they link up back and peace and everything. You see me? Yeah, bro. Love after that, brother. Them slackness and them thing on the deal, dog. We're not talking, not make no sense, brother. You see me? You want to go bow to Kartel, go and go do it. You see what I try to say? Alkaline and them own a thing. You see me? So you get up every day and chat off your mouth. You know what make no sense, brother. Because you are going to talk about the man Alkaline to Kartel buy Rolex watch. Alkaline a show off watch. I don't understand this. Because I don't see a video with Alkaline a show off no watch. Like Alkaline even a Meds Kartel. You understand? The man not depend on media. You see me? Come here and say so wait. You want True Kartel do some interview. Zine? You want Alkaline to go do interview too and big up the man too. After all these years when people not hate the man, Zine people hate the man, true the man not get Kartel special ratings. After years when I bring down the youth and the youth reach the level where I'm reach right now. You understand? Because you got to talk about youth now, no. Him not hot and him not understand. Come on, artist who not understand. Kartel himself, him not understand around the place right now. You understand? Him not around the place right now. Him career will have a controversy. No controversy not there right now, so that's why you know see him too blow up in the media right now. Everything calm and easy. You understand? So you got to talk about Kartel post car, him a post car. I say that man a mad man. That man a real man. So you tell me say True Kartel forward out and buy a couple car and Ray and a show off. And all of them look or something there. You see? What you try to say? A man a do a music video for show the message of the song, and you are gonna say the man a try to follow cartel. I don't understand that. Bro, some of the time when I talk, it don't make no sense, brother. You see me? Cause you are real number one sheep, you know. You see me? And it's like every day you get up and sit down in the car. See? I chat off your mouth, brother. You know make no sense, dog. You see me? Cause you are trying to tell Alkaline, and that you are trying to tell Alkaline say, oh, show respect and very. You are going like say Vybz Kartel alone was an artist. In the 90s, 80s, all of them look at things there, bro. Look how much artists can inspire one man. So why you don't want to bring special rate, some people for bring special rate into Vybz Kartel? Suppose Alkaline listen more than one artist. You have Bob, you have Bounty, you have Beanie, all of them. Zine, the man say I'm inspired by people. What you mean? You have bridging, we sit down, and people, them see people out there, him see people, who him rate and respect, and say, yo, do it, you. You understand? The man say a lot, him inspired by people, mean him inspired by everybody, all of the artists, them. What more you want? Eh? I don't understand this. So Alko youth a forward up, and him say him respect every other artist. I respect him like every other artist. What more you want? I don't understand. What you want the youth do? Because industry set up the youth them career for put a cartel foot, praise him and all of them something like God and all of them thing there. And that's how this thing work. The youth say him rate cartel like any other artist. I don't understand this. All of them under the category of Jamaican artists. So I don't understand why. Every man forget the same respect. You see it? Every man forget the same respect. What you want? Him for shake someone and then bow to the next man. I want to them man. So my time I hear on the talk, bro, like, I feel wonder if you're a man or a girl, bro. Because if you get up every day and talk about man for respect cartel and show him special ratings, I would him forward on stage and win for the axe, man. But if you no special rating, I don't understand this. How you go look on a man and I ask a man if him have no special ratings for another man? I don't understand that. When since that come out? What kind of special ratings? I don't understand. What cartel I do for Alkaline? From Alkaline born, out time mother. What cartel contribute to Alkaline? For him bow to him. I don't understand that. When contribute? Just show them time the cartel did a dominate. So it means Alkaline want to be like him or follow him. I don't understand this. Alkaline different from cartel by way far. Because some of them have some conspiracy thing you deal with, You see me? You follow this tattoo and this and that you do for years. Years you do that about tattoo and this and when man. You see what I try to say? Like, yeah man, everything cartel do in one copyright to it. You look so. You see me? And that's why enough of them artists I will put them career on foot. Them not really reach nowhere. You understand? Them stay on one level. Look what Alkaline do right now. Enough of them youth maybe not even have the power to do that. You see me? Alkaline keep him show worldwide right now. You understand? Him own show. Good for the culture. You see me? All of them who bow. Where them there now? Where them there? And that's why we not reach on a certain level. Because I feel like say you not give a man a high validation and high value to reach to that level there. It not gonna work. You understand? Cause no matter what you take it. When Alkaline found out, he never this cartel. That are not this. If a man say respect Vybz Kartel, you say, I don't understand. You say, you see Vybz Kartel in the man. Explain it. I don't understand. Explain it. You see it? Come to know what not talk about. You just attack because the youth are the great moves. You see me? And the youth never forward under no bandage or no team or whatsoever. You see me? Just to the youth are the own thing. And them time when Kartel in the prison, him take over after. You see me? So that's why when Kartel do the interview with DJ Academics, he matter about the people them they want an next. The people them they want a next Vybz Kartel and them get it. What? No, me see why fans them stay so. Come to know how a man I put himself, I say, these are the next Vybz. I don't understand. These are the next. Yeah, them get them Vybz Kartel. Why? I don't understand. Why would you like try to compare? I don't understand because we never talk about tattoo and this and that. When Alkaline just bust, all Alkaline did do, I put in your ball. Zane, him never done nothing with Kartel do. Nothing with Kartel do, he never did that do. Zane, want to remember this. Alkaline did black. Him have in the eyeball. See? He never did do, he never bleach, he never have a tattoo, nothing. See? I tell you what happened after that. After when Alkaline started to be an interview. See? Because this is the thing, you know. I go tell you what cause it, you know. Alkaline fall in the game and take all of the attention of a cartel moment. Right? Him take all of the attention. It was a commercial break when Alkaline found in the game. Tattoo, eyeball, everything. See? And in a them time there, remember as the youth say, who was the brave one to do what cartel do? See? And the youth forward out. I remember say them time the cartel do bleaching and him a do skate soap, all of them look something there. See? And Alkaline forward and the man say, yo, him tell that nice say, yo, me I do something better than that, man. See? That nice. So look on TV, him see Alkaline out. I say, yo, tattoo your eyeball and way. See? Take all the attention off our cartel do that do, always some artists that do. You see it? And then now you get him song and every little thing. Mash up the place, everybody want to see him because they want to say if your eyeball tattoo for real. You see him? And in that time, no artist, every artist them time they done the cartel foot. You see me? Who respect him till them not too want put out no song, them not too want rare. You see what I try to say? Nobody don't want to do what him do or try if he do something. So Alkaline forward and tattoo your eyeball, take all of the attention and put it on for himself. You see it? That's why you say, yo, who did brave up them time there? You see it? So now, through that now, through no cartel now, bring him in the spotlight, or no body like Bounty or Beanie or none of them people, you know. So what them want to try do now, see? Them want to try make it look like say, yo, what them are doing, them are try put it on cartel now to try get him back in the algorithm. Them are try say, yo, Ray, I imitate cartel, Ray, which you never did that do nothing. All the youth do put in my eyeball, put in contact lens and say, yo, Ray, that's all the youth be, you know. And then start compare him, you know. And when him go up and Winford now, see? When him go up and Winford, sure. Winford I go ask the man, say, yo, him see cartel in him and whatever. I say, what? Yeah, true them say cartel smart and whatever. Alkaline have him brain to every little thing. See? So, I say, wait. But them time there, see? Me not understand. Because when Alkaline boss, cartel didn't lock up. See? So I say, how come Alkaline just further with black eyeball, black youth, having him ear and everything? So I say, what? How not try compare the two different brother them? I say, this now make no sense. Because all the youth do, I put in the eyeball. And every interview them go up and them keep on asking about cartel or whatever. Win for the guy ask the man say, yo, if him go take back him talk. So Alkaline say, no. You understand? Alkaline say, yo, them are going like some in a rate, like, I don't want them feel like some in a rate who did it before me. Are just some people. I try pull him in a something when not necessary. You see it? Because I'm many artists boss. They never fall down show cartel no special ratings or nothing. You understand? Alkaline found out and say, yo, I'm doing thing. Even you realize Alkaline is different from them artists. Him different. You understand? Him different. You see it? They might try to make the youth. They might try to make the youth feel like saying copy from cartel. To try to bring down the youth. You see me? Because him are the only little youth brave up. You see me? And that's the thing. Because are two different artists them. Two different artists them. Two different personality artists too. You understand? Cartel love it, the spotlight, Alkaline. Easy himself, humble, him not to do the media thing. Two different man. You see me? Two different lyricists them. You see it? Because when them try to compare now make no sense. And when Alkaline start to do the interview them, and him realize that Alkaline smart, you know. And when Alkaline start to do the interview them, right? And him realize say, yo, every time I do interview them, man, I bring up about cartel and whatsoever and Ray and I say, what? This not make no sense. See, because the same sign where them as Alkaline put up, you know. Them no know. You understand? Because the same side there, and the cartel sign that. A overseas thing, west side thing that. You see me? Two pack them and them man they usually. You understand? So cartel them are going to say cartel capital. You see me? Cartel capital. You see the people things, the people style that. You don't understand. See? So after when Alkaline now start realize say yo the interview them I get too jiffy like them want to take it over and put it in another man conversation. Them times Alkaline say, okay. So since you know say, I come like Kartel now. Alright then, we can start be like him then. So the man, Alkaline, start bleach and start the tattoo them now, everything. I'm smart, you know. You see me? He might give them the tone. So when the youth do that now, cause remember, this they must say youth copy, you know. If you say Alkaline the forward out, bleach out and tattoo and everything when him just forward in the game, we could understand. See? But the youth forward as himself. And when them start talk about the cartel thing or whatsoever, the youth say, alright then, since you not say Ray, I gotta just do it then. And that raise more attention while the youth just put out more hits. A smart the youth, a brave the youth brave up more. You understand? Because there's no way cartel with the bleach out and tattoo. How you compare a youth with just forward in the game black and just having an eyeball? He never have a tattoo. Tell me now. Black youth with a man with bleach out them time. And I say, man, when you look at him, you see Cartel. I say, what, bro? Cartel have him son, them, brother. You understand? I just show Alkaline forward out. Them I try put him to you understand? Like, come on. Like, you have many lyricists in Jamaica right now. You understand? So when you Alkaline, you feel say, Vybz Kartel alone have brains in a dancehall. Look how much other artists have brains. You have enough lyrical artists out there. It's just that them not get the break it. But Alkaline Daffy do I just get the attention on him. So them see the music we him have. You understand? So in a 2025 now, people still are comparing this and that and Ray. I bet if Alkaline the forward out and big up Cartel, the same special reason when you want Ray. When you wouldn't pay the youth no mind. I tell you, when you wouldn't pay the youth no mind today. What are the hate when you have car? When you hate, we can't believe say. Them people in a society, in a dancehall. See? People, some of my people, like especially the Gaza people, Uno, I go pre-Alkaline because Alkaline no give Uno artists a special ratings. When I understand that. Look how much artists or maybe look up the Cartel nah give a specialty. You understand? Them nah say, yo, where, this, that. Like, tell me now, Alkaline forward out and do that. What that I gonna do for Alkaline career? Look how much artists bow. Man all forward out to them love Cartel or whatsoever. The most and nobody don't love Cartel like them. See? What that do to them? What that do to them career without them doing something else to make for them career climb? Look how much artists out there will rate Cartel. See? We do collab and all of them things. What really do to them career? The state of Alkaline at now. Which one of them at the state right now, Alkaline, the leverage? Which one of them? See? Because for years I try to compare two different artists and it not make no sense. So my time when I talk like what tattoo and bleaching, I never know say copyright. I don't understand that. Because Alkaline first coming up in the game, he never do that. He never do that, you know. You understand? So how comes now when I try to put thing for a man for say, yo, where if you show him respect and where. Like, come on bro. Some of them man some of the time them weak. Cause me couldn't look on a man and I tell him say, yo, bow to a man. You see me, show him respect. Bro, come on, brother. You understand? Come on, no, we'll not try put right as a brother. You see me? Because you are compare your talk about man by watch this Alkaline. Bro, Alkaline now meds none of you don't realize. The man now meds every day and get up on the youth name or whatever. The brother just simply tell you say, yo, Ray, Cartel and Ray on the show and every little thing. You ever say, yo, no. But when Ray, if you show elders and Ray, I say, what? I don't understand. You don't realize with this dancehall thing, I found up. Like, Alkaline been showing artists respect. But it's like, maybe true how dancehall thing work. Like, if you know, go around certain artists or they in a party with them, or go show them support at one party. So you move antisocial or you move. You stay to yourself. Them naturally say, yo, you're too hype. You know, show no respect. All of them little thing there. Cause so you go, you know. You see when you're too friendly with people and them look something there. And that them rate. If you not do that, you stay by yourself, them not rate that. You understand? Because Alkaline, when you check it on a deep level, Alkaline don't really do them none. You see it? When Alkaline just a forward up in a game, everybody, I call him name, all sort of thing. But Alkaline really show me how dancehall world set up, you know, and realize say, yo, if you not bow to that system, yeah, or bow to that man, yeah, them are fight you, them now go, wow, advertise you, or push you to no level, or promote you, if you not bow to them. You understand? But the same artists, them will show homage, them not help them the artists there. You see me? Them not help them the artist there. But as me say, with a brother here and I think one Kevin him, a big crap the man a chat for on internet every day. You see me? But now make no sense. You see? But people don't know be the facts, you know. Yeah man. Big up on yourself. Like, share and subscribe, you see me? Yeah man. That is it.